Hello guys, today a new video. Today is day 7, our learning English journey. So today is day 7. I'm so excited to reach day 7 while speaking English and practicing in front of the camera the next 90 days. So today is day 7. So we prepare some bunch of questions and we're gonna explain them, answer and speak English, practice while we speak in English. That's kind of practicing. So we're gonna see if we explain those questions normal, smoothly, or we get a bit struggle. So we just learn English. So we're gonna practice and see how it goes. And those questions, one of them is funny. So if I laugh, please spare me. Don't judge me. Just funny question. So let's get started. We're gonna start right now. So the first question right here we get is, what is your favorite season of the year and why? What is your favorite season of the year and why? So for me, my favorite season of the year, uh, I really like summer so much. So my favorite season of the year is summer. I love summer so much because of summer. It's a bit normal and not rainy, because when the rainy comes, the whole city is a bit wet and so noisy, a lot of stuff. I love rainy so much, but I love summer as well. So my favorite season of the year is summer. And what I love the most is summer is I go to the park, so the park's not wet. It's a bit every whole the trees are green, a lot of leaves there and so beautiful, nature is so green at the summer. And the weather is not hot, it's not cold, it's between normal, it's a bit smoothly. You're not gonna wet, or you're not gonna like worry about you if something else, like it's just when normal. And people, they also have time. The summer all people so happy or kind of exciting. I don't know, they finish their work, I have no idea, but the summer people, they're so good. And instead of raining, everybody working umbrella kind of stuff, so they have no time, they just worrying about their clothes. I don't know. So by the way, my favorite season of the year is summer. I love summer so much. The second question wait here, wait, let me check. We prepared questions in my cell phone, so we're gonna see. So the second question is a bit funny. This question is, if cat could use the internet, what do you think it would search first? Let's repeat again. If cat could use the internet, what do you think it would search for first? If cat used the internet, what it would be searched for first? So I think cat, she searched what she love, and what she love is, I think if cat used the internet, the first she search would be mouse, mouse or mice. Cat love mice, right? Or mouse is singular and mice is plural, so it's same. So she gonna search mice or mouse, and maybe she's gonna say how to catch mouse quickly, or how to get mouse kind of. I don't know. So if cats has used internet, she definitely would search mouse. How to search how to get mouse. That is what she said, because it's love. You would search what you like to do, right? So cat has nothing else to do, maybe search mouse. So let's move another question right here is, would you rather travel by train, bus or plane? This is a good question. Would you rather traveling by train, bus, or plane? For me, I've been travel train, no, bus. I've been travel plane, and I know the experience. I see that, but I never ever travel by train. So I think this time I should find out train, how is train, is it a bit smoothly or a bit confusing. Some people, when they traveling by train, I mean plane, they said there is a bit confusion or they feel a bit nervous. So I don't know train, but I've been traveling plane so much, so many times. But also I've been travel bus, and bus was really very very normal. And whole season we the truth, the wood was so nature and beautiful. So this time I would love to travel by train. So let's move another question. We have no time. The next question is, what is one thing you always like to do on the weekends? What's one thing I do always the weekends would be, I would love to do the laundry. I would love to call my family because some family live other countries and the weekend when they have time it's just a weekend. So that is, I think, what I first do is I would love to call kind of family. So that is what I would love to do at the weekend every day. So let's move this one. Next question. The next question is last question. If you could learn a new skill this year, what would it be? If I learn a new skill in this year, what would be? It would be English. I would love to learn this year in English. I don't want to learn another skills. So I just want to learn English. So that would be English. So yeah, what would you love to learn this year? Which skills would you love to learn? So for me, English. So I'm learning English. Still, I'm learning English. My English level is B1, between B2 and right now speaking, practicing in front of you guys, and we're gonna practice together. Please, I have one question for you. Write down at the comment what Kat would search if she using internet for the first time. Write down that at the comment and subscribe, like, and join us, please. We need you and hit the like button 100 times. See you next time at the next video. Today is day 7, our English learning challenge. Have a good one.